Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you multiplication tables of 11. Let's start. 11 times 1 equal 11 times 2 equal 11 times 3 equal 11 times 4 equal 11 times 5 equal 11 times 6 equal 11 times 7 equal 11 times 8 equal 11 times 9 equal 11 times 10 equal. So guys, this is the table of 11. So let's start the next thing. If you know 1 to 9, it will be easy for you. So let's start writing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So guys, see, we got all 1 to 9. Now, the next step is to do the same pattern in the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So guys, we done all of that, but we're missing one more box number. So let's see. So if you write 1 and a 1, it makes 11. But if you write a 0, it makes 110. So now, since you got the tricks, let's start to read. 11 times 1 equal 11. 11 times 2 equal 22. 11 times 3 equals 33. 11 times 4 equals 44. 11 times 5 equals 55. 11 times 6 equals 66. 11 times 7 equals 77. 11 times 8 equals 88. 11 times 9 equals 99. And 11 times 10 equals 110. Guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.